Just in case y'all didn't see that again, I'm going to rewind it one more again and let my brother do his introduction.
Did y'all see that? He tried to eat his face. Says, while most U.S. states do not have a law that specifically or explicitly prohibits cannibalism, other laws make it practically impossible to acquire and consume human flesh legally. Idaho is the only state with a specific anti-cannibalism statute. Do you want to know why cannibalism is not fully illegal in America? Because white people literally used to eat black people in this country. I kid you not. So, till today, they still do it. So they don't.
Also, you know why it's not illegal in America? Because it's human flesh inside of the food. See, there would be a major lawsuit if you was to test meat and you would find out that it was mixed with human flesh if it's against the law, but it's not. So therefore, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Burger King, all those fast food restaurants, even your steakhouses, your the ones that you want to drink alcohol and sit at the table and dine in, all animal flesh, all excuse me, all mixed in with human flesh. Think about this: there are no new graveyards. It's never. When have you ever seen a new graveyard open up? When the last time you seen a graveyard open up? None. There is no new graveyard. But millions upon millions of people die every day. More importantly, let's just talk about Palestinian. Let's talk about the Palestinian people. Let's talk about the Afghan people. Let's talk about the people that's right now in Ukraine. Let's speak about that. Let's speak about the children and that are dying from starvation. Let's talk about that. Where do you think this flesh is going? Outside of some of it going to Pindar, Moloch, the Dragon King, and his crew, the entities that are here that created the complex cell, the so-called white people, Asian people, Arab people, all of them, they just gave you different names, but they all share genetic makeup with animals, which means they all are a mutation species. They are a experiment. That's what they are. And they share the same propensities as their creator. They eat human flesh. This guy was literally great eat his face off. Now I want y'all to understand something. Y'all can look up plenty of stories, news stories and articles regarding complex cells killing people and eating their faces and eating parts of their bodies, beheading them and eating it. Listen, it's ramped up, but they want to keep it. They try to smother it up as much as they possibly can. But again, this right here is directly connected to genealogy. What animal that they share DNA with? Matter of fact, all of them do. But the one animal that is violent that they share the most DNA with, chimpanzee, 96 to 98% of DNA. That animal is a cannibalistic animal. That animal actually goes out and hunt some animals and eat them. They will eat flesh. They will eat human flesh too, as well as they will be frugivores. And this is the very reason they keep us ignorant to science. More importantly, human anatomy. I don't want to say this before I leave. Did you hear the women in the background screaming and crying? None of the women will be able to stop nothing that men are able to do. None of the women that would just scream and cry. That would be it. They would try, but they can't stop it. The woman, the complex cell woman, forgot how treacherous that male of their species is. And they are going to find out quickly. And you know who else is going to find out? The so-called black woman. So she's going to find out here. See, we think this telephone communication, cell phones, the landline, the cameras, we think all that shit been around forever. No, it hasn't. This hasn't been here forever. There has been a point in time in life through history, period, that you can leave, you could kill somebody and leave them right there on the street. Who's going to come and get you? Who's going to do it? And this is why they are afraid of the power grid going down. It's not about the safety of the people. It's about the control over the people. Think about that for a second. They can give two flying French toast, you know what, about your safety. This is about having control over the people. Abundance and gratitude to you all.